Welcome back to the channel, y'all. We are out here in the corn again because squirrel season is open. It's not quite deer season yet. Is that a deer out there? Never mind. We've been prepping for deer season as hard as we can, but it is time to go try and get some little critters as well. I always try to get out a few times and hunt some squirrels before the actual deer season kicks off, because once deer season kicks off, there's no way I'm going squirrel hunting. So me and Mike are out here, and we're probably gonna try and kill some squirrels. The limit is 5 each, so we can shoot 10 total. We'll see how many we actually get. It's pretty gloomy and cold out here, so I don't know how much the squirrels will be moving. Almost should have worn a sweatshirt. It's cold. The sun was out when we left, and it just got so foggy out here. Well, you guys saw the squirrel, and Micah whiffed. We thought he hit him, but when he ran down the tree, he ran around the tree and then ran away pretty well, so he's going to be just fine. If he did, it was like he grazed his hair. It was not anything, so it was...
See that on the GoPro?
I'm not used to this trigger.
Oh, it's like no pull. Oh, it's still there, yeah.
So is this deer?
This deer. I don't know if you can see it, but I'm trying to. There goes the deer, too. Bro just does not leave.
Okay. So, I don't know if you guys saw what happened, but I just finally shot a squirrel. But there was a deer literally 6 yards from us. I shot, and it was a fawn. And it like turned around and looked right at me.
It didn't run.
Until the second shot. First Chungus is down. Holy cow, it took us long enough, but Micah missed. My scope is off. And then I finally got one with Micah's gun. Holy cow. Fortunately, we were only able to get 1 squirrel out of 10. Technically, we should have had 3. They weren't really out that much today, but they were out a little bit. So we saw a handful, heard a bunch, shot at 3, got 1. So, so anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed. We're actually walking out. This is the trail we brushed out to come in for our tree stand with a giant pile of poop.
Oh my gosh, is that 14 years?
I think it might be a pile of dirt, actually. It might be like a crawdad or something.
Oh,
Kind of looks like it, though. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and we'll catch you guys on the next one.